Hello, thank you for clicking over to watch this video on my Maes Mieru Crafts channel. At the end of the first part of these inking videos, I showed you this. It is one of the things I'm going to show me making in this second part. Sparkle re-inker bottles in red, orange and yellow, and this little tool. A spot of each on the mat, and away we go. The same size cardstock, the same ink. This time I'm using a little gadget by hand rather than a battery operated one. This time my cardstock is double the size at A5, and I'll be using the same ink and tool but inking just round the edges because I'll be using it as a mat rather than needing ink all the way across it. After I finished recording, I decided to make the ink go closer to the middle in case I needed to trim off some of the mat before I used it. And the finished pieces. I'll show you what I've made with these in another video. And there you are. I hope you liked watching what I've been making today. Before I go, I need to thank IG from the George Boys for manning the camera for this filming today.